Pattern is aligned, moving to next phase. Output looks good, speed is optimal. Check the alignment on this panel. Alignment is good, ready to proceed. Increasing laser power slightly. Cuts are clean, monitor for sparks.
Pattern alignment confirmed, laser is cutting. Copy, monitoring the seam integrity. Conveyor speed is optimal, sparks are contained. Initiating next cut, quality looks good.
Keep the pace steady, everyone. Quality first. Got it. Next batch incoming. Good. Efficiency's up today.
Thanks to the team.
These molds are looking perfect. Yes, send the batch through. Careful, they're still hot. This batch is going smoothly. Yes, the machines are running perfectly. Let's keep the line moving smoothly. Good quality on these. Ready for the next batch.
How's the trim coming? Almost done here.
Need more clasps?
Yes, please. The blue batch is looking good. The yellow one needs more time. The pink is ready to pull.
Check the lace on this one. Looks good. Moisture test passed. Perfect. Move it to packaging. On it. Next batch. These are ready for the next stage. The quality on this batch is excellent. Good. Keep the line moving. Understood. Статус линии? Все в норме. Проверяем партию. Хорошо, продолжайте. Эти кружевные нужно отложить. Поняла, откладываю.
This one has a thread pull. Logging the defect, robotics reroute. Got it. Moving to the next batch. Efficiency is up 2%.
Keep the flow steady. Next batch incoming. This lace needs a stronger stitch here. Yes, I'll reinforce it. These straps are secure now. First batch looks perfect. Sealing them now. Next set is ready. Smooth operation. Starting the run. First box.
Got it. Applying now. Label is secure. Next. Confirmed. Running smoothly.
Система готова, запускаем линию. Принята коробка на позиции. Этикетка нанесена. Следующая. Конвейер движется стабильно. Team, confirm the inventory on bots 4 and 5.
Copy. Bot 4 is secure.
Bot 5 wrapping complete, ready to dispatch. Perfect. Release them. AGV, proceed to Zone B for retrieval.
Confirmed. It's approaching now.
Good. Guide it to the shelf. Roger that. Positioning now. Clear. Retrieval complete. Efficiency is up. Let's keep this pace. Agreed. This batch looks perfect. Good. Next box. On it.
These are turning out beautifully. They really are. The lace is perfect. Let's get this batch packed. Almost done with mine.
These Moscow shipments are getting bigger.
Yeah, but the shrink wrap is holding up.
Initiating transfer to conveyor. AGV 47, proceed to loading.
Forklift to Sector B, loading pallets.
Initiating transfer to conveyor.
AGV 47, proceed to loading. Forklift to Sector B, loading pallets.
Checking this lot now. This one's clear. Next pallet looks good. Stacking the overstock. Perfect. Almost done. Check the push-up sets. Make sure they're sealed. Got it. They're all intact. Scanning the thongs now. Good. Log any discrepancies. None so far. Confirmed. Давай следующую палету в контейнер.
Принял, поднимаю.
Ровно к краю, не торопись.
Ввожу в контейнер.
Ставь на место.
Готово, выход.
Принято, чисто. All right, let's get this first pallet loaded.
Ready, I'll guide you in. Confirmed, shipment matches the manifest. Lifting now, clear the area. Looks good, straight back.
This strap alignment is off, flagging for rework. Noted, I'll log the defect. These new arrivals are consistent. Good. Let's check the full set. Agreed. Moving to the next rack. This strap alignment is off, flagging for rework. Noted, I'll log the defect. These new arrivals are consistent. Good. Let's check the full set. Agreed. Moving to the next rack. These straps need to be even. Okay, I'll smooth this one out. Great. Let's try this one here. Perfect. It drapes nicely. This one has a loose stitch. Let me check the spec right here. Good catch, flag it. Okay, setting it aside. Next one.
Left station clear, scanned. Center left clear, moving to next. Center right checking, looks good. Right station approaching, almost done. Final check, all clear.
Девушки, готовы к финальной отправке? Да, все упакованы идеально. Флаг гордости на месте. Грузим в последний грузовик. Принимаю, загружаем.
Отличный успех.
All right, let's move this pallet into the truck. I've got it. Push it in. Look at these lights guiding the way. Let's move, ladies. Final dispatch. Got it. Loading this pallet now. Flags up. Clear the path.
Ready on the truck. Hand it over.
Perfect. Let's go.